Let's talk about the potential for a $0 down lease now and whether or not this is recommended. Oftentimes you'll hear about these $0 down leases on television, and they tell you that you can simply sign and drive away in a brand new vehicle. However, it doesn't normally work like that. A $0 down lease normally refers to a $0 down payment for the vehicle, but there are still other fees that are paid associated with leasing that vehicle, including your first monthly payment, registration, taxes, and document fees. Even without making a down payment on your lease, those other fees can still add up to hundreds, if not over $1,000 or more. In some cases, you can roll these costs into your monthly lease payment, but this is generally not recommended. First of all, if you don't have the money to pay the fees up front, you should consider if you even have the means to make the lease payments. In addition, a $0 down payment lease is going to be a lot more expensive every single month when compared to a traditional monthly lease payment where you make a down payment. Here's a few options for a local Toyota dealership near me, and looking at this 2024 Toyota Corolla, the lease payment is $213 a month with $4,500 as your down payment. However, if you wanted to do this with a $0 down payment, your monthly lease payment would jump to $349 a month, or a 64% increase. And over that 36-month lease term, you would end up paying an extra $4,896, which is higher than the $4,500 down because of the interest that you're paying. If you're serious about leasing a car, you should aim to put together $6,000 to $7,500 to cover your down payment as well as other drive-off fees, and this is going to give you the lowest monthly lease payment possible.